Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix charging problems on your Motorola Moto G77. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check USB-C port for any debris. So if you don't have anything on your port, then that's good. But if you do, then I recommend using a soft brush like this for an example, and you can easily go over and check your phone. You can easily try and get into the port and try and get everything out. And once you do that, once you're sure that there's no debris inside of your USB-C port, what you guys can do is check different cable or adapter if you're using one. So try another cable. I would recommend using the original one, but if you do not have it, then you can use the third party one, but make sure that it's working and that it's compatible with your device. Now what you guys can go over is go over into these settings. Now in those settings, scroll down until you see the battery. Here in the battery, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that you check the battery protection. Here you can enable it and make sure that you select smart schedule, so AI will learn from your charging patterns and it will stop charging at 80% and not go already to 100, because this will damage your battery and we don't want it. Now what else can you guys do is refresh the system. So restart your phone by pressing the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Here you tap restart and now the phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is try wired charging without the case. So I got the case right here. Let me quickly take it off. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug the cable into the phone. And as you guys can see, it's charging without any issues. We got even the information that the turbo power has been connected. And that's basically what you guys can do here. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.